Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see pending follow requests on Instagram app. First, you have to open the Instagram app. Then, on the bottom right, you will see a profile icon. Tap on it. Here, you have to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right. Then, scroll down and tap on Accounts Center. Now you have to scroll down on account settings and tap on your information and permissions. Now tap on download your information. Now tap on download or transfer information. Here you only need followers and following information, so tap on some of your information. Now you have to scroll down and tap on the information you needed. Here I will tap on followers and following. Then tap on next. Now tap on download to the device and tap on create files. This may take some time, so after being downloaded you can tap here on the file and check all the information. So that's it for my video today. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in my next video.